Here's a quick look at the market for Thursday, September the 10th, 2009 through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. Of course, this video is a shortened version of what we post each day on our website, which is usually about 3 or 4 times longer and has much more detail. But let's go ahead and take a look. We can see here, we always like to start with our market profiles. This is the overnight session here, which started the December contract, and this is what we're looking at. The December contract. This was yesterday's action, and this was today's action. So the market has continued in that upward auction. It was about a 4.5 point spread between the December and the September. We were looking at support in around 31, which translated to about 26.5 in here. You can see the market dipped a little bit below it during the first hour of trading and then basically rallied for the rest of the day, which was nice to see. Here's the individual daily profiles, and you can see here that each day has a volume profile to the side and the market profile itself, and you can see how we just keep extending the market higher, continuing in this up auction. Here's our actual software shown here today. Our first trade of the day was a long right in here. You can see we had deceleration here. We use now the 1 minute, the 10 minute, and the 30 minute on our analysis, as well as even longer time frame, and of course the market profile. Some of our traders actually got stopped out of this break even. Others with a little bit more experience stayed in this for the nice run up, with the expectation of the market to make new highs from this point in here. We had another opportunity to get long. Unfortunately, our filter had turned neutral, but a lot of our traders got long right in here off of that dip for a nice move up higher. So even though we have this filter down here, for example, when it's green, we like to take long trades. So we had green here for a good part of the day, but as you can see, we also had neutral for a good hunk of it in the middle and then later on. And so we do take trades in the neutral filter. We don't always do that, but if the market's condition dictates it, we have certain structural requirements that if they're met, then we will go ahead and take that trade. So I did not mark this on our website today as a system trade. I'm referring now to the later trade right in here, although certainly a lot of our traders did take this even with this neutral filter at the time. So that trade worked out really well. So we had a couple of good moves up here that we're able to participate in. And that was really it for today. Looking at probably around 33, 34 support, and looking for new highs. If the market can't make new highs, it could very well pull back and hit that support in there, and then maybe even back down to around 26 or so for the next support. So still looking like a very bullish market though. So any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. We'd love to hear from you. Questions or comments are always welcome. And that's it for today, and we'll have another video for you tomorrow. So have a good one. That's it for today.